Ang pangit. So instead, sabihin mo
Waffle
instead
ball.
nga. Waffle, edi waffle ano na lang, waffle banana.
Di ba na... Hello guys, Bulaga! Welcome to our kitchen. So gagawa kami ng merienda ngayon. At para sa mga ingredients na kailangan natin, i-discuss siya ngayon ni Sister Ai. Sister Ai, go.
Okay. We're only going to use banana. Ay, bakit ba English? Okay. Saging na saba. Tapos, pancake mix. Any brand. Then, Nutella. And any oil of your choice. Para sa frying. Then, water. Just to mix the pancake mix. And then, peel all your bananas. Slice it into small pieces. So for water, 2/3 and then 1 cup of pancake mix. Then mix well. Dip your banana into your pancake mix and then deep fry it until it's golden brown. To finish it, you can put some Nutella and then powdered sugar, and then there you go. So there you go guys. If you wanted to know how to make this snack, just watch the video and it's super duper easy. Diba?
Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We'll post the link down